The benefits of ginger are extensive when it comes to healing diseases and health problems, so it's no surprise that this is one of the best ingredients you could use to also promote hair growth. Ginger contains amazing antioxidants and has antiseptic properties that can brighten and soften your skin. Helps in preventing and curing dandruff and other hair-related problems. Ginger stops free radicals and reduces inflammation caused by pimples or blemishes that are damaging your skin and scalp. This root helps increase scalp blood circulation, stimulates hair growth, and the zinc content of ginger adds deep moisture to your hair. Whether to achieve longer hair or simply control a struggle of hair loss, this precious gift from Mother Nature can prove to be extremely beneficial. Let's see how to prepare the top 3 best home remedies made with ginger to promote hair growth and stop hair loss. Number 1. Ginger Juice Scalp Soaking Solution. You will need 1 tablespoon of ginger pulp, 1 tablespoon oil, coconut, olive, or sesame oil. Combine the ginger pulp and the oil in a bowl. Massage the ginger oil mixture into your scalp using your fingertips. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash your hair as usual. Do the treatment 2 to 3 times a week for good results. Number 2. Ginger and Lemon Juice Remedy. You will need 2 tablespoons grated ginger, 3 tablespoons sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 blender. Blend all the ingredients together until you get a fine paste. Massage the paste into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse your hair with shampoo. Number 3. Ginger and Onion Juice Remedy. You will need 2 tablespoons grated ginger, 1 grated onion. Put the grated onion and ginger in a cheesecloth and squeeze it out to collect their juice. Use a cotton ball to apply this juice to your scalp. Leave it for 20 minutes and then wash your hair as usual. Using ginger can cause irritation to the scalp. If the strong stinging sensation is giving discomfort for you, then you have a sensitive scalp. You can still benefit from these ginger treatments by making modifications. You need to reduce the quantity of ginger used and the time for treatment according to your needs.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.